Hey everybody, welcome back to the shed. Today we're going to be installing some swivel studs for a shotgun sling. Turkey season's coming up, and for those of you planning on doing a lot of hiking, this is going to be something really useful. So let's dive into it. Okay, first things you'll need is, of course, your shotgun. It needs to be clamped down to the table. This is loosely clamped here, but good enough. You're going to need your tape measure, or just a ruler, doesn't matter. 2 drill bits, one is 5/32, the other is 7/32 inches. You can get these at Home Depot or any hardware store for about $1 each. You're gonna need some tape. This is to measure how far and then mark off how deep you want each of these to go. Both of these are gonna be going in a different depth on the shotgun stock, so that's important. And then of course, your power drill. Now let's get started. Okay, first thing I've done here is with the 5/7 drill bit, you're gonna make a little flag at 7/8 inches away from the tip. And with the 7/32 one, you're gonna do 1/8 from the top, 1/8 of an inch. That's not a whole lot, it's really just to recess for the swivel mount. So make sure you have these tags. This will show us how deep we're going without having to stop and measure while we're drilling. Next thing you're going to do is actually measure from the starting of your recoil butt pad 2 to 2.5 inches. So I'm actually going to do right at about 2.5 inches. And I'm going to make a little mark right here, just so I can use that as a reference point for later. Make sure that it is equidistant from both sides, so it's right there in the middle. And that is where we will be drilling. So 2 to 2.5 inches from the beginning of your butt pad. Now with your 7/32 drill bit installed on your drill, you're going to drill until it reaches that tape mark where you've marked from 2 to 2.5 inches on your actual buttstock. Try to make this as perpendicular to the stock as possible. And that's all you need. And now with your 5/32 drill bit, you're going to drill in the middle of this hole down until it reaches the depth of the tape. So we'll do that right now. Center it as good as you can. Now you can install the swivel screw. Make sure that you include the washer that is included in the package. It's also optional if you want to. Also dab some wood glue on there to hold it in if you know that this is going to be permanent. So I got a little bit of wood glue on here. It's helpful to have a small screwdriver to help screw it in. You thread it through this eye and then help you to get it in that hole. It is a little bit tight. So I'm going to start it like this with my fingers. Once it starts to bite, then you simply put this through and screw it on. It's important that as you're screwing this in, you stop to make sure that the hole is perpendicular to your gun stock so that when you install your little clip mounts, that these go on, just like that. Screw this down, and you're done. There is your swivel mount on your shotgun stock. Then you simply replace the cap on your gun with the cap that's included in the pack, and it has the swivel stud on it. Whoop. Attach our sling, and we're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Pretty short video for you. Hopefully this was helpful for those of you who own a shotgun and wanted to install a swivel mount or a sling. Let me know if this was helpful. If not, or if you want to have some questions, put them in the comments below. I always read the comments and try to answer most of them. So thanks again for watching. See you soon.